Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. This is a full glam Valentine's Day look. So if you're not about that full glam, then you probably don't want to watch this video. But if you are about that full glam, then just check this video out. This is a little out of my comfort zone. I'm just going to put that out there. This was an accident. It was not supposed to be silver. I thought it was going to be like a bronzy gold, but I made it work. And you know what? I really like the way it looks. I like the way it turned out, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, before we get started, if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And also, I'm not going to get too much into it, but I do have a giveaway on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, then you better stop what you're doing. Go follow me on Instagram and then come back and watch this video. And that's at Makeupbyalaha, by the way. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please keep watching and I'd love to show you how to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. I'm just gonna moisturize my entire face with this. My face has been a little dry, and look at this little sucker over here. This little thing hurts so bad. It's like not coming to surface at all. It's pretty freaking gross. It's like a crater on my face. I'm just gonna apply this onto my face and just rub it in to really moisturize and hydrate my skin. Gonna press it to really soak in. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys, this primer is incredible. It's a brand new discovery for me. This thing is only $14 for 30 milliliters, and it's an amazing primer. When you apply it onto your face, it makes your entire face look airbrushed. It just smooths everything out. Like, I didn't even think it was possible for a primer to do this, and especially not one for 14 bucks. So I'm gonna share it with you here, and then I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can purchase it through the link. And it's called No Pore Blum Primer. It's this little guy here. It is incredible. Like, it's amazing. I'm going to show you what it looks like over here on my face. But again, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can buy it straight from there. I just apply a little drop there. It's not even a full drop, it's like half a pump. And then one on my forehead. So this all equals like one full pump. But I like to kind of scatter it throughout and apply it to my whole face. Unlike other pore filling primers, this one is extremely hydrating. Oh my god, my skin feels so good after this. It's so smooth. Like, insane. And I also like to take it under my eyes a little because I found that it helps with creasing. Oh, my skin feels like, I wish you guys can like reach through the camera and like touch my face because it feels so good. Oh, this little thing is so ugly. And that soaks right into your skin and you could just feel it. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. I love this foundation. It stays on really, really well. It's excellent for oily skin. Also with dry skin, since my skin has been a little bit dry lately, I'm going to show you the little trick that I like to do with this foundation. I like to just apply this all over my face in a good amount. Obviously, you guys don't need to apply this much, but I'm all about that super, super full coverage look, so I'm going to. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil, and I'm going to apply it to my Morphe 439 brush. And I'm just going to take a couple of drops of this, just apply it straight onto the brush. And I'm going to use that to blend out the foundation. Next, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I'm just gonna apply this to my under eyes, over my nose, the sides of my nose, my forehead, my laugh lines, and my chin to highlight and conceal. And I'm also gonna use this as an eye primer, but I don't need to apply any more because there's gonna be a lot left over from my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Elsie sponge and I'm just gonna blend this all out. I'll take what's left from this side of my face onto my lids as a primer. And then this side. Next, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just gonna bake the highlighted areas. First, smooth out the under eyes. And then quickly go in with the powder puff and set it. So there's no creases. And the rest of the areas. Smooth it out. Set. I'm really baking it on there and packing it on there because I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow now. And I don't need my face to be a hot mess. I'm gonna smooth out the back of my lids as well. And I'm just gonna apply the same setting powder to the back of my lids to set that for the eyeshadow. Okay. Now that I look like a hot ass mess, we're gonna go to the next step. Next, I'll be going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. I can't even take myself seriously. I look so crazy. I'll be going in with my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. This is the micro finishing powder. Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. God, you really need to just, you know, shorten that name. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm gonna dust off my forehead and the back of my lids, but I'm gonna keep this powder on my nose area and everywhere else, just cause I don't want any fallout from the eyeshadow. So the palette I'll be going in with today is the Sigma Beauty Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful for a date night or for this Valentine's Day look that we're doing. You can create so many looks with this. You can do something soft, you can do something red tone, which is so beautiful. I love red tones for eyeshadow. And I mean, it is Valentine's Day, so why not, right? I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R37, I believe this is. It's kind of it's faded off the brush, so I can't really tell what the number is, but I'm pretty sure it says R37. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Toasty in my crease. We're gonna use that as our transition shade. Take it all the way in. Now going in with the clean Sigma Beauty E25 brush, I'm just gonna buff out the edges of that eyeshadow. Next, using that same E25 brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Rogue, and I'm gonna apply that right underneath that Toasty shade. Just placing it with this. Did I really just do that? I did. See why the translucent powder is a lifesaver? The brush literally just fell out of my hand and onto my face. I'm just placing this into the outer V. We don't want to blend it just yet. Just place it where you want it first. And now just blend it out. Just gonna apply a little more just to intensify that back up a little bit. And it's really just building the color and the layers. Just soften the edges. I know we look crazy right now, but it'll get worse before it gets better, so bear with me. Next, I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in 1.5, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. I'm only going to cut it to about right here. The shade I'm going to be applying to my lid is called Bittersweet. It's this gold shade right over here. I'm just going to go with a flat brush. This is NYX Cosmetics number 33 brush. And just apply this directly to my lid. Next, I'm going to go in with my Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Smoldering Satin. And I'm just going to apply this onto my lids where I applied that bronzy gold color. This completely changed up the look. This is not gold, this is silver. I wanted to do gold, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. Just gonna let this dry before I do anything else. Maybe I could fill in my brows in the meantime. I'm gonna take some of the Stila Smoldering Satin on a little brush, and I'm just gonna use that to blend out the colors. Okay, I'm just gonna do my wing liner and my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes, and I also did a wing liner and my mascara. The lashes I went in with today are the Lily lashes in the faux mink style Delara. It's these right over here. I love these lashes so much. They're so spiky and full. They make cat eye makeup look so good because of the flared out ends. I absolutely love the way these look. And now I'm gonna do my little trick that I like to do with the Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray to melt off that white cast off my face. I'm gonna spray it onto my Elsie sponge and just press it onto my face. And this gets rid of any of the extra powder that may be left on your face. So to finish up the eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Sigma eyeshadow palette, again in the shade Rogue, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. Next, I'll be going in with my Marc Jacobs Highliner Pencil in the shade Blacker and applying this to my waterline. Now going in with Humble, I'm just going to apply this to the brow bone. For my bronzer, I'm going to go with my Makeup Geek Cosmetics Warm Matte Bronzer in the shade Tawny. Just gonna bronze up my cheeks and use this to contour. The highlighter I'll be using is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100 Molten Gold. So for blush, I'm going to be using one of these blushes here that Bare Minerals sent me because, I mean, look at this freaking box. Like, really? Who needs this much blush? See? So the color I'm going to go in with is the shade That Peach, though. That's cute. It's this beautiful peachy shade here. And I'm just going to dust this onto my cheeks and drag it up. Ooh, this is such a beautiful color. I think this just became my favorite. I don't always use a shit ton of blush, but when I do, it's Bare Minerals. I'm gonna use one of these Lipland blushes that I got in PR. This is the Alina X Lipland collection that she launched not too long ago, and it is beautiful. It's warm tones, mauvey tones, beautiful nude in here. I'll be going in with the shade Dollface. It's this beautiful nude tone right here. It's gorgeous. So that's what I'll be using. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. As always, please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and then subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And please turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets, because believe me, you're missing out. I have Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeupbyalaha. It's super, super easy to find me and follow me. I made sure of that. Also, I wanted to let you guys know I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. I'm not going to share all the details here. All the details are posted on Instagram. I'm giving away a bunch of good things, a bunch of awesome things that I absolutely love, and I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to do this for you guys because you guys are always so supportive and always showing me so much love. I wanted to return the love back to you, and what better way to do it than with new makeup? Come on, let's be real now. This is the first of many giveaways that I plan on doing this year. I would like to do at least one giveaway a month. It doesn't matter if it's big or small. I just want to give back to you guys since you guys are always giving me so much freaking love. That being said, go ahead, stop what you're doing, go on my Instagram, follow the post, find out how you can enter this giveaway and win some damn makeup, because you've got absolutely nothing to lose. Who knows? You might be that winner. You might be the winner to win. You might be the winner. You just might be the winner. So go be the damn winner. Go win. Go win all the damn makeup. Go win all the damn makeup. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thanks for staying until the very end, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!